Here we have a 2015 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the red M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, we have the two black front kidney grills, the M Performance kit which includes the front splitter. We also have the side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows for privacy glass for the rear passengers. And as this is convertible, the roof goes up and down with a simple press of a button. Coming around to the rear, you'll find the carbon fibre rear spoiler. If we take a closer look, you may be able to see if the camera picks it up. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the quad-tip exhaust at the rear. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a look now at the interior. Inside of here you'll find the full red leather interior, 2 seats at the back and 2 at the front. Both of the front seats are electrically adjustable, with the driver's side having the memory function just down there. They're also both heated as well. On the doors you'll find the electric windows and the electric mirrors. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers as well on that stalk. Multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides, speed limiter and cruise controller as well. There's a look at the dashboard and the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of sat-nav, we have DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you would like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.